Okay, for our next problem here, what we want to do is find the equation of the line tangent to this graph at the point where x equals 1/2. So I've drawn the graph over here, y equal x cubed. That's 1, -1, 1, -1. So I can kind of see what it looks like in between there. We want to find the equation of the line tangent. So first we need the slope of that line, then we need a point on that line. So in order to find the slope, we use the derivative. So f prime of x, we know from a previous problem, is 3x squared. So that's the slope of the line tangent anywhere on this graph. Now let's find the slope of the line tangent when x is 1/2. So that's going to be 3 times 1/2 squared. So 1/2 squared is 1/4 times 3, 3/4. Okay, so there is our slope of our tangent line. Next we need a point on the line so we can find the equation of the line tangent. So for that, I'm going to go back to my original function, f of x, and let x be equal to 1/2. So f of 1/2 is going to be 1/2 cubed, and that's going to be 1/8. So I see that a point on this line is the point x equal 1/2, y equal 1/8, and the slope of the line tangent at that point is 3/4. So I can use my form of the equation of a line, my point slope form, write it this way. Y minus 1/8 is equal to m, which is 3/4, times x minus 1/2. So let's see, I'll multiply through here. I get y minus 1/8 is equal to 3/4 x minus 3/8. I'll add 1/8 to both sides, and I'll get y is equal to, not going off the board, okay, 3/4 x. I'm going to add 1/8 to both sides, so minus 3/8 plus 1/8 is going to be 2/8, so that's going to be 1/4. So 1/4. So there's the equation of my line tangent to the graph at that point, and that point is x equal 1/2, y equal 1/8. It's this point right here, and here is my tangent line. It has a slope of 3/4 and a y-intercept of -1/4. Haven't drawn all this to scale right here, so it might not look exactly right, but you get the idea. The graph isn't necessary, it's just to kind of help us visualize what we're doing. So find the equation of the line tangent. What do you need? Well, you need the slope of that line, and you need one point on that line. Once you have those things, the rest is pretty easy.